Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be art and craft haul video and I will be showing some cute and new products from Itsy. So let's get started. So the first product is MDF swastik. You can customize it, decorate it using paint, decoupage. This MDF cutout is ideal for festive and everyday decor. The next product is this MDF teapot. You can make kitchen decor DIYs. Also, this is the best gift for tea lovers. Customize it and give it a makeover, and you can gift it to your friends. The next product is this table organizer with 4 compartments. You can use this for multiple purposes like pen stand, pencil stand. You can also organize your brushes, and the best part is you can remove this and use it as a single compartment, double compartment. Then this is MDF base. You can use different techniques to customize them. Okay, so these are some decoupage napkins, and I have already uploaded videos related to this, so don't forget to check the description box below. And you can see the prints are so beautiful. They are really easy to use. There is a great discount going on, so if you want to buy, I will share the links in the description box below. And these are some decoupage papers. It has 4 sheets of 2 different designs. You can use it on any surfaces like furniture, frames, glass. They are available in many prints. They have traditional prints, modern prints, vintage prints. Then these are some deco transfer sheets. They are also available in many designs, और आप इसे almost every project में use कर सकते हैं. And look at the print, guys. They are so cute. And the last item is this prime chipboard. If you want to buy these products, then let me know in the comment section below. I will share all the links in the description box. And if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. And next week मैं बहुत ही interesting video लेकर आने वाली हूँ, so stay tuned guys. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.